So Kanye West came to Jamaica and kept his Sunday service on a Friday. How ironic. Anyway, and that we are talking about. It is said that he spent over $1 million on the concert. So the $1 million would entail venue, the cost to actually get Kanye West here via private jet, the cost to ship his equipment down, and plus is over 120 member choir. So all of that costs $1 million. And the question is, why would Kanye West spend $1 million on Jamaica just so? Well, Kanye West is a rich man and he probably have $1 million lying around. Can't just spend it on Jamaica. Nah. We are going to explain why he did all of this in this video. And plus, we are going to talk about some other topics. Alright? So, don't go away.
Girl, them say me fresh like raindrop. Yeah. Instantly, your girlfriend see me and wet up at the same spot. Yeah. My best friend when you see him black, yo, I saw the game, man. Yeah. Baby man that them say that me a play like say my one game shop. Third time press the shop like razor. You hear that?
So that is Deep Jai new song when name Raindrops, produced by Country Music. And me have tell people that one here bad. That one here is very interesting, even though the lyrics is very controversial. And why me I go say the lyrics controversial? At one part in the song, him actually said this.
All in autumn she get offspring.
So you know say it's a raunchy song, it's a raw song, it's a very tired little song, you know. Anyway, still in the music video there is a lot of girl and girl action in this as well. So you know, it's kind of controversial. And people more really want to ask a question here, because we know Deep Jai, when him just forward on the music scene after him win Magnum King and Queen, and him a go embrace, you know. Him used to have some little nice tune like, life goes on, never wanna say that phrase. And you know, them little nice soft singing type that people even did a box him in as like, you know, a culture reggae artist, somebody on the conscious side. Then all of a sudden we see him start do them type of tune here. We see him start do some music video where I show them like a girl and girl action here. Do a lot of things that we not really used to Deep Jai for do. So people, this is what I want to do. Wanna comment in the comment section and tell me if this artist really need to do stuff like these, or him shouldn't just keep it pure, you see me? Or you feel like say, yo, watch you know, you never treat business, you like them type of vibe here, you like them type of song here. So make we move on.
Send them a war. Make it a cup for charm in a shoe. Straight headshot boy get murder. Last night in the past night, infrared on the man was the.
So 21 Savage uploaded a snap of him vibing to Movado last night. And people, and not just one snap him upload, you know, him upload about 3 different snaps on his official Instagram profile. And he must sing along even though him kinda miss, you know, like here so.
Hey.
But for the most part, him know a good amount of the lyrics. So me not tree bash him.
Fucking cops always after me. With money, them a watch me. See me with me chain and them a wonder where me watch.
See that I wasn't lying. Anyway, still. Wanna tell me in the comment section what you think about 21 Savage singing Movados last night. So people, it's that time in the review where me gonna talk about the Kanye West church argument and everything. Alright, so me I got all a reason within right now. So this is totally my feeling, my thoughts, all courtesy of Chaddy TV. On a big man level, me feel say Kanye West is just exploiting Jamaicans and exploiting Christianity. And me I tell you why. So him turn Christian, yeah, a lot of people, a lot of sinner turn Christian. You see me? A lot of secular people, as all the Christian them like to put it. You see me? Worldlian turn Christian, where was public figure, and sometimes them do stuff like this. But Kanye West, this is some money making stuff. So brother, you are gonna spend $1 million, so you say no. we still not sure how the $1 million spent. But if you kind of calculate it out, yo, $1 million was spent to keep that show there with ease, with plane fare, for ship down in equipment, them for everything, yo, expense, them thing they go up quickly. You see me? But why you gain from it? You're not gonna spend $1 million at Jamaica just so. Now, immediately after the show over last night, Kanye West starts selling these Jamaican t-shirts on his official Sunday service website. And it is all Jamaican branded. And the people, it in a review what we have to laugh because I didn't expect something like this. The shirts are actually going for like $100 and $200. And them have caps for like $40. Now, if you do the math, it easy. Him can make back $1 million from this easy. But then again, Kanye West is actually broadening his brand. You see me? So he as a person, as in he's doing these free shows probably around the world, him just a widen the brand. And people might be sitting and say, but Chaddy, no Jamaican naga really buy a Kanye West t-shirt for $200. Them hardly want to buy a Alkaline CD for $10 or a Vybz Kartel CD for $10. But remember, Kanye West have fans around the world. And some of those fans love Jamaica. So technically, he's actually selling brand Jamaica. But only thing, he's keeping the profit. Cause we don't get the free show already. Yo, so people, we really want to know if you consider this as exploiting or it's just a way for Kanye to get back some of the money he spent on this free concert. And even Bounty Killer thinks that Kanye West did not spend $1 million on this concert when he uploaded a snippet of the concert and captioned this. Big up to Kanye West and his team still for gracing my people. This is a big social investment because Jamaican people has never seen some of their very own for free before. Salute, but no million USD no spend. If so, auditors and accountants break it down. Then can't fool the people. And he put some laughing face. He say Bounty Killer just a troll. But people under the comment section actually take it serious and I say Bounty Killer should not post a post like that. So this person comment and said, Killer, one day you say I'm a devil and the next day you big him up. Fix up your thing at Ground Godzilla. And then Bounty Killer replied and said, despite who or what he may be, what he did was a good thing. So because of who he is, good doesn't mean good anymore. Only love chat so without understanding. So people, tell me what you think about that in the comment section below. And tell me if you think say Bounty Killer really a defend Kanye West or him couldn't just wall up, you know? And just make certain things slide. Like where the people them say. In the need for in the whole mix up. So it's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. And people, let me know in the comment section below what you think about this video, what you think about the topics them where we discuss today. Alright, what you really think about all the topic here, the Kanye West topic here. Well, I never know, no. But then again too, you see the minister them, Babsy Grange them and the Prime Minister them and the politician them, the politician them will do anything, but I don't know. I don't know. Tell me in the comment section what you think, alright? It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? I'm out.
So beat up out the room, like, don't tell me what to do. Don't tell me how to really be saved. Don't tell me how to really follow Christ. And it ain't about pointing fingers at who following Christ the wrong way. Because the truth is inside the word. It's your personal relationship with God. It's your personal relationship with the Father.